Right. Moving on to the BMC elections only, it seems that this was finally the day when Mumbaikars had been waiting for, and they came and they voted in full spirit. But the numbers that come to us right now, and we have a breaking news coming in, which is that Dinesh Wagmare, the Maharashtra State Election Commissioner, has stated that the ink is the one used by Election Commission of India and is indelible. If someone tampers and votes again, then we will register the case. As Divya also was pointing out to us, she was stating that the State Election Commissioner has stated that action will be taken. He has also said that there is no question of favoring the government. There is a fake narrative being built. So clearly, Election Commission there trying to put the faith back, restore the faith on the practice of use of this indelible ink, which is made from silver nitrate, which is used and put on the fingernail and the skin above it, and trying to restore faith and saying, well, if any sort of action is taken by anyone and any malpractice is done, we will take action. Listen to what he has said.
आज सुरू असलेल्या महानगरपालिकेच्या निवडणुकीमध्ये मार्कर पेनची शाई ही पुसले जात आहे. अशा प्रकारे मोठ्या प्रमाणात एक संभ्रम पसरवला जात आहे. त्याबद्दल माझं सांगणं आहे की ही शाई जी आहे ती इंडेलिबल इंक आहे आणि इंडेलिबल इंक भारत निवडणूक आयोग जी इंडेलिबल इंक वापरतो तीच इंडेलिबल इंक आहे, मात्र ती मार्कर पेनच्या स्वरूपात आहे. आणि या शाईविषयी कुठल्याही प्रकारची शंका उत्पन्न करणे किंवा कुठल्या प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ हे बाहेर प्रसारित केले जात आहे आणि एक मतदारांमध्ये संभ्रम पसरवला जात आहे. याशिवाय मला सांगायचं आहे की मतदार हा मतदान केंद्रामध्ये आल्यानंतर मतदान प्रतिनिधी असतात, जे उमेदवाराचे मतदान प्रतिनिधी असतात ते मतदाराची ओळख पटवून देतात आणि ते ओळख पटवल्यानंतर त्या मतदाराला मतदान करण्याचा हक्क असतो. त्यांना त्या मतदाराबद्दल काही ऑब्जेक्शन असेल तर ते ऑब्जेक्शन ते प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसरकडे नोंदवू शकतात आणि त्या अनुषंगाने त्या मतदाराची चौकशी होते.
Okay, India Today's Vidya once again joins back from Mumbai. Vidya, we were discussing the issue and we've just heard the State Election Commissioner also talking about it, and he's clearly stating that this is the ink that has been used for a while now, and even the pen, I believe, is not something new, which Raj Thackeray is raising the issue of, that what are these new pens, this needs to be investigated. So do tell us more about this.
Well, the State Election Commissioner of Maharashtra, Dinesh Wagmare, he very clearly said that it has been in use. This particular pen with that silver nitrate ink has been in use since 2010. It's nothing new about it. And in fact, what he is saying very clearly is that it's the same ink that is used during the parliamentary or the assembly elections that the Election Commission of India uses. That's the same ink that is being used here. And there is no difference between the two. And what he's actually reiterating is that when you put the ink, it takes about 15 to 16 seconds for it to dry. So in that time, when someone is inside the polling booth, after the ink has been put, in case someone tries to remove it, it is the only time that it can actually be removed. That is what he is claiming. If there is a fake narrative that is being built about the ink getting removed, then in that case, they will take cognizance of this issue. Will try to mitigate it at the earliest. However, there have been checks where we have seen how some people have shown it as to how they have come out of the polling booth, many hours after the entire polling is done in the morning, that they have actually realized that the ink does get removed. However, the State Election Commission not agreeing with this and is saying that it will go ahead and register FIRs and cases against those who will remove the ink and try to vote again. However, it remains to be seen if there are times when there are people with they have their names in 2 or 3 different polling stations. If they can really stop that kind of person to really vote in 2 different places. However, at this juncture, LCC very clearly saying that what the parties are saying is not
right. Thank you, Vidya, for all those details.